Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to install Capcut in laptop. So I am going to show you at least two methods on how to install and download Capcut in your PC. First, you just have to go to your Microsoft Store, go to the Start menu, and then type Microsoft Store right here or Store, and then click Open. So once you're here, what you're going to do is you have to go to the search bar and then type Capcut. Now, once you press enter or this magnifying glass right here, you will see platforms and applications related to CapCut, but you have to click the very first one here. And if it's not yet installed, then you will see here get button. You just have to click that one and then wait as it is processing. Then once done, you can now open your CapCut as easy as that if you're using Microsoft Store. If not, then you can use the other way, and that is install it using your Google web browser or any browser. So to do that, what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser and then type CapCut download PC. Then you have to click the very first link that appears here. And all you have to do is to look for this download button. You will be notified that it is now starting to download. And then what you're going to do here is to open your download folder, right click CapCut, and then run this as administrator. Once done, what you're going to do next is you just have to open your CapCut. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Right click, run as administrator, and then open. And that's it. Basically, that's how to install CapCut in laptop. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.